Unveiling the joy of making new memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful and meaningful phrase, making new memories. This phrase is not just about learning English. It's about understanding the emotions and experiences that language can convey. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore what it truly means to make new memories. The phrase, making new memories, consists of three key components: making, new, and memories. Let's break it down. Making implies the action of creating or forming something. New refers to something that has not existed before. It is fresh and unique. Memories are the recollections of past experiences, moments, or events that are stored in our mind. When combined, making new memories suggests the process of creating fresh and unforgettable moments that will be cherished and remembered in the future. It's about experiencing life in new ways and preserving those moments in our minds. Making new memories is essential for several reasons. Personal growth. Each new memory contributes to our personal development, teaching us lessons and enriching our lives. Strengthening relationships. Shared experiences and memories bond people closer together, whether with family, friends, or new acquaintances. Emotional well-being. Positive memories can boost our mood and mental health, serving as a source of comfort and happiness. In essence, making new memories is a vital part of living a fulfilling life. It's about seizing the moment, exploring the unknown, and savoring the joy of new experiences. Making new memories doesn't require grand gestures or exotic locations. It can happen anywhere, anytime. Here are some tips. Be present. Live in the moment and fully engage with your surroundings and the people you are with. Try new things. Step out of your comfort zone and explore new activities, hobbies, or places. Capture moments. While memories live in our minds, photos or small mementos can serve as tangible reminders of those special times. Remember, the goal is to create moments that feel significant to you, ones that you'll look back on fondly. We hope this video has shed light on the beauty and significance of making new memories. It's a reminder to cherish every moment, embrace new experiences, and fill our lives with unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to making new memories together through our journey in learning English. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating those special moments.